First thing I'm doing is logging into my account. Password. Okay. Once I'm logged in, I could search down to see which.
That's okay. Just pick one.
Create a ring. And then I can scroll down.
Here, let me do something else.
And I can click on which day or time.
So dark blue is not available. Blue is taken. White is available. So schedule someone.
Oh wait, gray is not available. White is.
Gray is okay. Not white is whatever. Then you pick the time. Oh, that's the time already selected.
E-tutoring or online or chat appointment veiled. Why to your ID, course number, professor, when the paper is due, what the assignment is about, and questions about the paper.
Mm-hmm.
And the attachments that you could check the assignment and the paper that you need help with.
Cool.
In the assignments.
Awesome. Thanks, Jackie.